Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to get loan or borrow money on Cashapp. So for that, just open your Cashapp and here just click on the banking icon at the bottom left corner of your mobile screen. Scroll down a bit and here you will see these options called paper money, recurring deposit, direct deposit and bank transfer. So if in case you are eligible to borrow money on Cashapp, borrow icon will be there on this page itself. So you can simply click on that icon and borrow money in a form of loan from Cashapp. So there is also another way to know if you are whether you are eligible for getting a loan from Cashapp or not is to chat with the help support, and they will let you know requirements to fulfill in order to be eligible to get a loan from Cashapp. So click on this profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen and here just scroll down a bit and click on support and here just click on chat. Now just simply type here to know whether you are eligible for getting a loan on Cashapp or not, and the Cashapp chat bot will reply you and will let you know a few of the requirements to fulfill in order to be able to get a loan on Cashapp. We can simply go back to this eligibility criteria for you to be able to get a loan on Cashapp. Here it listed down 3 of the basic requirements to fulfill in order to get a chance to get access to get some extra cash. So that Cashapp will verify you to get a loan access on their platform. If you fulfill all these criteria, you will probably get access to get a loan or borrow money from Cashapp. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.